All right, hello, my name is Carrington Connerly. I'm the lab preparator for the Center for Life Sciences Education. And I'm just gonna walk us through the procedure for the PCR prep. So you're gonna have your tubes. The important part is to make sure that you label them. So you'll have them labeled just like that. These are going to be the samples that you retrieve from the refrigerator. These are going to be the samples that you are going to be labeling. Here I've labeled them 14 to signify that I am a part of team or group 14. So to begin, we are going to take a tip and we're going to take 10 microliters of the sample DNA, so that's your template. So it's going to be farm A and farm B. Make sure you set your pipette to 10 microliters. There we go. And that'll go in the corresponding 14A tube. Make sure you change tips in between each template that you're pulling up. So now I'm going to do the same with farm B. And now for the positive control, which is marked with a plus sign. And the negative control. Just like that. So now the next step is we're going to add our master mix to our sample tubes. So that, again, we want to make sure that we're changing tips. The master mix is labeled MM, and it's again another 10 microliters of that. And this is going to go in each tube. Right. And then the last thing we need to add is the primer. So it's important to make sure you change your pipette to set it to 5 microliters. And then carry out the same procedure. And that's going to go in each of those 4 tubes as well. Excellent. So then once we've added the sample template, the master mix, and the primer, your little tubes are all set for the PCR machine. We ask that you all just give them to either the prep staff or myself, whoever's in the lab room, and then we will run them all together in the PCR machine at the end of the day.